Hi, I'm James with S&S Tire and Brandon Crossing, and today we're going to talk about warning signs your brakes need to be replaced. If you hear a grinding, if you hear a high squeal, if you hear any noise coming from the brake pads when you're braking, that may be a sign that your brake pads are actually getting wore to a point they need to be replaced. If when you're braking, you feel a pulsation or a vibration coming through the brake pedal or through the vehicle, that's a sign your rotors may need to be resurfaced because they're warped, which is also a good time to get the pads inspected and possibly replaced. This is a bad brake pad, which is actually past the point of needing to be replaced. And if you compare it to a new brake pad, you can actually see the difference in the material. Now, the manufacturer of this pad will put an indicator on here that will alert you, usually through a high-pitched noise, that you've actually are running out of pad and you are getting very close to getting into the rotor. Once you run out of pad and actually get into the rotor and you become a grinding noise, you're actually going to need to replace the rotor, which will then increase the cost of your repair. If you have any of these noises or issues, please come in and see us at S&S Tire. We offer a free brake inspection. We'll be glad to give you a free estimate on your brake needs. I'm James from S&S Tire and Brandon Crossing, and that's your tip of the day.
Now at S&S Tire, buy 4 Continental or General tires and get 4 free oil changes.